Hey, how are you? I saw your lawn is a bit tall here, and I do once a week for free. So if you like, I can remove and clean it.
For free?
Yeah.
And I don't need to pay you?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi dear, I'm Sarah, the voiceover from Mowing Guardian team. Let me share a heartwarming story that happened last week. I was driving by when I saw something that truly touched my heart. There was this overgrown yard, and I knew I had to help. So, picture this scene. In a quiet neighborhood, there was this lady who was going through a tough time. She didn't own a lawnmower, and her once tidy lawn had grown into a wild mess. On top of that, she received a notice from the city, warning her of a fine for her overgrown grass. She felt stuck and didn't know what to do. But here's where the magic started, and I offered to mow her lawn for free. She couldn't ignore it. Can you imagine the relief that lady felt? Her eyes welled up with tears of gratitude as she thanked her newfound friend over and over again. With determination, I began mowing the overgrown lawn, sweat rolling down my face. But I kept going because they knew I were making a difference. As they worked, the lady watched in amazement as her once chaotic yard turned into a neat and beautiful space. Keep watching, because the rest of this story is coming up around the end of the video with some amazing before and after pictures. Also, if you want to support this free mowing that I do in our community, the best way is to subscribe to my YouTube channel linked below. After mowing the lady's lawn, our kind-hearted neighbor couldn't resist capturing the incredible transformation. They shared this heartwarming story and the before and after pictures on social media, hoping to inspire others to lend a helping hand. And here's where it gets even more beautiful. The post started to spread like wildfire on Facebook, and people from the entire community were deeply moved by this act of kindness. Offers to help the lady with various tasks poured in from neighbors who had seen the post. The sense of unity and compassion in the community grew stronger. Even the city couldn't ignore the wave of positivity. They decided to waive the potential fine, bringing immense relief to the lady. She was not only grateful, but also touched by the love and support from her community. So, my dear friend, remember that even a small act of kindness can create a ripple of goodness that touches hearts and brings communities together. You have the power to make a difference, just like our kind-hearted neighbor did for the lady.